नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 8th canto, chapter 20. Bali Maharaj surrenders the universe. Text 3. Sachaham vittalobhena pratyachakhe katham dijam pratishrutya dadamiti prahadihi kitavo yatha स्वचाहं वित्तलोभेन प्रत्याचख्ये कथं द्विजं प्रतिश्रुत्य ददामीति प्राहादिः कितवो यथा सचाहं वित्तलोभेन प्रत्याचख्ये कथं द्विजं प्रतिश्रुत्य ददामीति प्राहादिः कितवो यथा सचाहं वित्तलोभेन प्रत्याचख्ये कथं द्विजं प्रतिश्रुत्य ददामीति प्रहादि कितवो यथा। स्वचाहं वित्तलोभेन प्रत्याचख्ये कथं द्विजं प्रतिश्रुत्य ददामीति प्रहादि कितवो यथा। स्वचाहं वित्तलोभेन प्रत्याचख्ये कथं द्विजं प्रतिश्रुत्य ददामीति प्राहादि कितवो यथा। Word meaning: Saha, such a person as I am, cha also aham I am vittalobhena for being allured by greed for money. Pratyachakhe I shall cheat or say no when I have already said yes. Katham how? Dijam specially to a Brahmana. Pratishrutya after already having promised. Dadami that I shall give. Iti thus. Prarhadi I who am famous as the grandson of Maharaj Prahlad. Kitavaha an ordinary cheater. Yatha just like. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Abhay Charana Aravinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Translation. I am the grandson of Maharaj Prahlad. How can I withdraw my promise because of greed for money when I have already said that I shall give this land? How can I behave like an ordinary cheater, especially towards a Brahmana? Please repeat. I am the grandson of Maharaj Prahlad. How can I withdraw my promise because of greed for money when I have already said that I shall give this land? How can I behave like an ordinary cheater, especially to a Brahmana? Purport. Bali Maharaj had already been blessed by his grandfather Prahlad Maharaj. Therefore, he was a pure devotee. Although born in a family of demons, there are two kinds of highly elevated devotees called Sadhana Siddha and Kripa Siddha. Sadhana Siddha refers to one who has become a devotee by regular execution of the regulative principles mentioned in the Shastras, as ordered and directed by the spiritual master. If one regularly executes such devotional service, he will certainly attain perfection in due course of time. But there are other devotees who may not have undergone all the required details of devotional service, but who, by the special mercy of Guru and Krishna, the spiritual master, and the Supreme Personality of Godhead, have immediately attained the perfection of pure devotional service. Examples such devotees are the Jagyapatnis, Maharaj Bali and Sukadeva Goswami. The Jagyapatnis were the wives of ordinary Brahmanas engaged in fruitive activities. Although the Brahmanas were very learned and advanced in Vedic knowledge, they could not achieve the mercy of Krishna Balaram, whereas their wives achieved complete perfection in devotional service. Despite their being women, similarly, Virochani Bali Maharaj received the mercy of Prahlad Maharaj, and by Prahlad Maharaj's mercy, he also received the mercy of Lord Vishnu, who appeared before him as a brahmachari beggar. Thus, Bali Maharaj became a Kripa Siddha because of the special mercy of both Guru and Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu confirms this favor, Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila, 19th chapter, 151 verse. Bali Maharaj, by the grace of Prahlad Maharaj, got the seed of devotional service, and when that seed developed, he achieved the ultimate fruit of that service, namely love of Godhead, Prema Pumartha Mahan. Immediately upon the appearance of Lord Vamanadev Bali Maharaj regularly maintained devotion for the Lord. And because he was purified, the Lord appeared before him. Because of unalloyed love for the Lord, he then immediately decided, I shall give this little dwarf, Brahmana, whatever he asked for me, asked from me. This is a sign of love. Thus Bali Maharaj is understood to be one who received the highest perfection of devotional service by special mercy. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanatimiraandhasya Jnananjana Shailakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Sopadantikam Vande Aham Shri Guruhu Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnambhamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Sabadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakha Nitangscha Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine Mukhaṁ karoti vachalam pangum langhayate girim Yatkripatamahang vande Sri Guru Dinatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Ishwaram Nama Mahabadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratise Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Bhevacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Sachaham vittalobhena pratyachakhe katham dijam pratisutya dadamiti prarhadi kitavo yatha. I am the grandson of Maharaj Prahlad. How can I withdraw my promise because of greed for money when I have already said that I shall give this land? How can I behave like an ordinary cheater, especially towards a Brahmana? So this is the statement of Bali Maharaj. So Bali Maharaj is one of the Mahajans. He is Acharya for one limb of bhakti also. There are 9 limbs of bhakti. Bali Maharaj is for Atma Nivedan. He surrenders, just like this chapter is entitled, Bali Maharaj surrenders the universe. He not surrendered the universe, he has surrendered everything. So he is the Acharya for that particular limbs of bhakti, that is Atma Nivedan. And he is also a Mahajan because Jamaraj mentioned the 12 Mahajans' name in 6th canto. Swayambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kumara, Kapila, Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhisma, Baliri, Vayasaki, Vayam. Vayam means it is Jamaraj himself. Brahma, Swayambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Lord Shiva. 4 Kumaras, Sanak, Sanatana, Sanandana, and Sanat Kumar, Kapila Muni, Devahuti, the son of Devahuti, Kumara, Kapila Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhisma, Bali Maharaj. Then Vyasaki, the son of Vyasadeva, Sukadeva Goswami, Jamaraj. So, his Bali Maharaj and Prahlad Maharaj, they are also Mahajans, though they were born in a demoniac family. So, here is a Bali Maharaj being a Mahajan, he is acting in a certain way just to protect religious principle. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Dharma Sangsthapanarthaya Dharma Sangstapana Hetu Sadhu Vyavahar Puri Gosaira Je Acharan Sei Dharma Sar. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to Mathura and he was chanting and dancing in front of Kesava, this Lord Kesava, and that time one Brahman, one Senodiya Brahman, is not high class Brahman but she is also Senodiya Brahman, he came and he also started dancing with Mahaprabhu. So he was also exhibiting the symptoms of ecstatic love. So Mahaprabhu asked this Brahmana, are you connected to Madhavendra Puri? Otherwise there is no question of getting this type of love of Godhead. This Brahmana told, yes. Madhavendra Puri accepted me as his servant. He came to my house and I served him prasad also, and he blessed me. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, if Madhavendra Puri went to your house and accepted prasad, I must also go to your house, to your home. But the Brahmana was saying, no. You are sannyasi, but the people will laugh at me if I will take you my home and feed you prasadam. It is generally the sannyasis, they eat only in the house of a Brahmana. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu immediately quoted this verse. Dharma Sangstapana Hertu Sadhu Vyavahar. A saintly person, by his own behavior, he teaches the principles of religion. And a great personality, Mahajan, he acts in certain way, then the common peoples, they follow the same path. Mahajana jana gatasya pantha. Dharmasya tattva nihitam guhayang mahajana jana gatasya pantha. This verse is from Mahabharata Vanaparva, 313 chapter, 117 verse. It's very nice verse. Tarka pratishtha sutaya vibhinna. One cannot come to a conclusion by simply arguing. Arguments is going on. This it cannot give you a perfect conclusion. Sutaya vibhinna. There are 6 branches of Vedic knowledge, and every branch is concluded indifferently. It's not possible. Not the Rishis. Who is called a Rishi? Nasaba Rishir Yasya Matana Vinna. He cannot be called a great sage unless he is different opinion from other sages. But Dharma cha tattva nihitam guhyayam. But the principles of religion, it is very sacred. It is only a saintly person. He can exhibit what is the real principles of religion. That's why one is to follow the footprints of a Mahajan. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, that's why, because Madhavendra Puri, he behaved in certain way, so I have to follow the same footsteps. Puri Gosai ra acharana sei dharmasar. This is the essence of all religions. Similarly, here we see Bali Maharaj also telling, this particular word in this verse is very important. Pralhadi. Because he is telling that I am a grandson of Prahlad Maharaj, who is a Mahajan. How can I act like an ordinary cheater? Which Prahlad Maharaj is Mahajan. He is a great devotee. And he never gave up the lotus feet of Lord Vishnu, Lord Singhadev. He is famous, he is also Mahajan, is famous for one limb of bhakti, Smaranam. He has always remembered Krishna. That is the essence of all teachings of sadhana bhakti. Always remember Krishna, never forgets him. Smartabhya satatang Vishnu, Vismartabhya na jatu chit, Sarva vidhi nisedhesu etoereva kinkar. They are following all the rules and regulations. Why we are following all these principles? The essence is always remember Krishna, never forgets him. So that's why this is the principle established by Prahlad Maharaj himself, by his own behavior. He gave up his everything. He did not care for his family members, his father, but he was fully surrendered at the lotus feet of Vishnu. Though Prahlad Maharaj, when Hiranyakashipu asked Prahlad, what you learn in school? What is the best thing you learn? Please explain. So Prahlad Maharaj was very innocent child, sitting on his 5 years old boy, sitting on the lap of his father. And he told, yes, father, I am explaining what is the best I learned from my guru. Actually, he learned from his own guru, Narada Muni. So he told, Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, Smaranam Padasevanam, Archanam Vandanam Adasyam, Sakhyam Atma Nivedanam, Iti Pungsarapita, Bhakti Set Navalakshana. I learned this nine Lakshana, these characteristics of bhakti. So he told this fearlessly. Even Hiranyakashipu, he became angry to his teacher, Sandhya and Amarka. He was thinking, my boy is very innocent, only 5 years old boy, he did not know anything. But Sandhya and Amarka told, we did not taught him all these things. He learned himself. How is it possible? So Hiranyakashipu tried to just to convince Prahlad not to do Vishnu Bhakti. He told, oh Prahlad, what you are told, very nice, everything is okay, but there is one word in this verse, you have to take it out and put there my name. Which one? This whole verse, Navada Bhakti, which one here Hiranyakashipu want to take it out and put Hiranyakashipu's name? Savanam Kirtanam, just take out this name Vishnu, just put there my name Hiranyakashipu, everything is okay. But Prahlad never agreed. Savanam Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam. So Bali Maharaj telling, I am the great grandson of Prahlad Maharaj. I have to follow the footprints of that great Mahajan, Prahlad. How can I cheat a Brahmana? And you are telling that he is Vishnu. When Vamanadev appeared, where was the Yajna was going on? In the northern side of Narmada river. Now when we are going to Bombay from Mathura, then there after crossing Baroda, then you go away. This Narmada, before Narmada there is a city they come. It's known as Bhuruch. Now we are telling Bhuruch. The original name of that place is Bhrugu Kacha. These ancestors of Bhrugu Muni, they performed the great yajna, the sacrifice there for Bali Maharaj. This is the northern side of Narmada. Now this is Bhrugu Kacha. The name was Bhrugu Kacha. These Bhruguvangshi Brahmanas, they performed a great sacrifice for the benefit of Bali Maharaj. So Bhrugu Kacha now it is, people gradually is calling it now Buruch. Is famous for very nice, what? Mumpali, peanuts. Very nice, very good quality peanuts are there. So anyhow, so there is the practical, the sacrifice was going on. And the great sacrifice then by Vamanadev just appeared as the son of Kashyapa and Aditi. Then he directly come to this place of sacrifice. First he appeared, Lord appeared first as Lord Vishnu in 400 form with his transcendental, his transcendentally decorated, divine dresses, weapons, ornaments, everything. Then Natya Natyadhara Jatha. Then he immediately changed his originals. Thus he just dressed, they appeared as a Vamana, as a dwarf, small boy. Then he has offered different gifts from different personalities. Then he dressed himself just like a brahmachari. He has a pot for begging. He has a stick. He has everything. It looks like commando. There is kusagras also inside. He had dressed himself just like a brahmachari. After having his sacred thread ceremony, then he just directly come to begging to Bali Maharaj, the sacrifice arena. So here when Vamanadev appeared, all the big, the personality, there's so many Brahmanas, rishis, they are sitting, including Bali Maharaj. Everyone was, and looks back, their original, they are just reduced, their original effulgence is reduced. They are so effulgent. Everyone thinking maybe sun god himself appeared, is coming to see the Jagya or the fire god himself is coming. Thinking like that, everyone is. They are forcefully, everyone just stood up seeing this Vamanadev. Then Bali Maharaj offered him a very nice seat for sitting. Then he told, "Oh, my forefathers are become now, they are glorified. Our whole family is sanctified. We are so fortunate. Oh, great Brahmana, you appeared in our home. Brahmachari, you appeared here." So he gave him nice seat. He washed his feet. Bali Maharaj very fortunate. So Prabhupada telling how Bali Maharaj such spontaneously attached to the Vamanadev. He is telling because this is the special mercy from Prahlad Maharaj. Spontaneous attachment. Prabhupada is quoting that Guru Kripa Prasadi. So special, Bali Maharaj got the special mercy from Prahlad Maharaj, that's why he also got the special mercy from Vamanadev. So, then he washed his feet. Bali Maharaj personally washed the feet of Vamanadev and took his Charanamrita and he sprinkled on his own head and drink, and he also, all his family members sprinkled the Charanamrita. So, then he told, "Oh, you came to my place. I think you came here just like a brahmachari with a begging pot, and I think you come to beg something here. So whatever you will beg, I am promising, I will give you. I will give you everything, whatever you like. You are a brahmachari, if you want to get married, I will give you Brahmana girl. So a qualified Brahmana girl, or you want wealth, or you want some land. If you want some land, I can give you also some land for you, your home or anything you want. You came to the place of Bali. I am Bali, I am the owner of entire property. And not only this earthly planet, I am also owner of the heavenly planet. Bali Maharaj, I am, whatever you are like, you take from me. Once someone come to my place, he never goes to other place for begging. So anyhow, Bali Maharaj was just taking it very lightly. He was spontaneously attracted to Vamana Dev. Seeing him, he was spontaneously attracted, and unconditionally he promised, anything I will give. There are so many sages, they are all there, but no one could recognize who is this dwarf, Brahmana, who is he. But Sukracharya, he could understand who is this man. In Gita, Krishna is telling, Kabinan Masuna Kabi. Among the intelligent persons, I am Sukracharya. Sukracharya also Vibhuti of Lord. He could recognize who is this man, this small dog. So Sukracharya told Bali, what are you going to do? Because Bali was ready to do sankalpa. He took his commando and he just want to do sankalpa, to give everything, whatever he like, Vamanadeva. So, but he started chastising who? Sukracharya. He told, you rascal, you do not know what you are going to do. This little dwarf, you do not understand. He is Lord Vishnu himself. He just appeared as the son of Kashyapa and Aditi, and he came here. He took everything from you and he gave it to your enemy, the demigods. Then you will become a beggar. You cannot even maintain yourself. Even you cannot maintain your promise. You told you have to give them 3 steps of land. I have not got detail because of time also. So 3 steps of land. But 1 step you will take the heavenly planets, 1 step with this earthly planet, whatever your possession. How you give him 3rd step of land? Even you cannot maintain your own promise. Then as we have already studied all these things in previous chapter. So gradually Sukracharya tried to convince Bali Maharaj not to give him charity. He told, anyhow, when someone is in danger, just a dangerous position for his maintaining his life, and when someone is flattering, someone is flattering to a woman, and like this, so many arguments he told. That is, so you are a grahastha, so you have to make dharma, artha, kama, moksha, you have to also distribute your property in different way. Finally he told, at least when you promise him, that time you did not utter this sacred syllable. Oh, you have not utter this particular word. So now people told, no, I don't want to give. Then according to my opinion, Sukracharya told, it will not be sinful. Just neglect, forget it. Don't tell him not to give. So now in this situation, Bali Maharaj is silent. In one hand he is saying, Sukracharya is still not to give, but another hand he already promised to give him. That's why Bali Maharaj could understand the real principle. There is nothing more sinful than untruthfulness. Because of this Mother Earth, one said, I can bear any heavy things except a person who is a liar. So Bali Maharaj, thinking very seriously, then he could understand whether he has to follow Prahlad Maharaj or follow Sukracharya. Sukracharya is his spiritual master. What is the duty of a spiritual master? To connect the disciple with Krishna. But here, Bali Maharaj is already connected to Krishna. He wants to give everything to Krishna, to Vishnu. But Sukracharya is telling not to give. So this is not the duty of a spiritual master to disconnect disciple from Vishnu. So that's why Bali Maharaj, being a great grandson of Prahlad Maharaj, and he got a special mercy from Prahlad Maharaj. So he thought it is better to follow my grandfather. Who? He told Prahladi, I am great grandson of Prahlad Maharaj. How can I cheat a Brahmana? And you are telling this boy is a Vishnu. And you are already taught me the Bhagavad Gita. What is Gita? Gita is telling. Everything belongs to Vishnu. Bhuktarang Jagya Tapasa Sarvaloko Maheswaram Suhudam Sarvabhutanam Gyantwamang Santirachyati. So he told, oh, my spiritual master, you are performing so many sacrifices for my benefit. But you told that who is the enjoyer of the sacrifice? The ultimate enjoyer of this all sacrifices is Lord Vishnu. And you are telling that this dwarf is Vishnu. Then how fortunate I am, the Vishnu personally appeared here. And he asking me. He appeared as a beggar in front of me. Though he is a husband of goddess of fortune, but he appeared before me as a beggar. So, how fortunate I am, and how I can refuse to Lord Vishnu. If he is Lord Vishnu, then he cannot make any inauspicious things. He is always auspicious. Vishnu is always auspicious. Anyone remember Vishnu? One connect with Vishnu, he is always auspicious. He cannot do any inauspicious thing. Those who surrenders to him. His name is Hari. Hari means Sarva Amangala Hare, Prema Diya Hare Man. Hari means he takes away everything what is inauspicious. And he gives love of Godhead at his lotus feet. So in this way Bali Maharaj was thinking. And his particular verses is speaking, and Bali Maharaj is speaking to Sukracharya. He is telling, Socha ham vittalobhena, just greed for money, just for vittalobhena, just for greed for money. How can I give up my promise? How can I withdraw my promise? Because I am a grandson of Prahlad Maharaj. How can I withdraw my promise? Because of greed of money. I have already said that I shall give this land. Three step of plan. So how can I behave like an ordinary cheater, especially to a Brahmana? It is not possible for me. Who is telling? Bali Maharaj. So Prabhupada is telling that in purport he is giving Siddha there for those who make their life perfect, who surrender, who gave everything to Vishnu. Such person sometimes the sadhana siddhas and sometimes they are krupa siddhas. Sadhana siddha, those are following the scriptures and spiritual master and acting strictly, following the sadhana bhakti. Ultimately they achieve perfection. But there are some personalities, they also achieve perfection by due to the mercy of great Mahajans or great devotees. So Prabhupada gave 3 examples here in his purport about, he told about Jagyapatnis, Maharaj Bali and Sukadeva Goswami. Told they are Krupa Siddhas. Jagyapatnis Prabhupada told because they got special attraction to Krishna by due to the causeless mercy of Krishna himself. Even the gopis also like that. How they are all Krupa Siddhas. The spontaneous attraction for Krishna due to the mercy of Krishna himself. But here is sometimes the special mercy comes from directly from Krishna, and sometimes the special mercy, Kripa, comes from a devotee. But Bali Maharaj, he got the special mercy from Prahlad Maharaj. Because Prahlad blessed him, that's why Vamandev also blessed him. Vamandev also appeared before him, Vishnu himself. So, and how Sukdev Goswami, and Prabhupada giving example of Sukdev Goswami also Kripa Siddha. How Sukdev Goswami is Kripa Siddha? Huh? Huh? What? His father is Vyasadeva. But how Sukdev will Prabhupada give example of Kripa Siddhas? Sukdev Goswami, also Kripa Siddha. Huh? Huh? He got this Kripa from Lord Shiva, telling. Actually, he is a parrot of Radharani. So he got mercy from Radharani already. She was attracted to Krishna, to Bhagavat, to hearing Bhagavat, because she is not a eternally liberated soul. Is parrot of Radharani. So Sukdev Goswami, it is said that Bhagavatam, Brahma Beti, Sukha Beti, Vyasa Beti va Naveti, Nrsimha Deva Kripaya Siddhara Swami Beti. It is a statement that Bhagavatam, who is the real knower of Srimad Bhagavatam? He said that Brahma Beti, Brahma learned Bhagavatam because Lord himself taught Chatusloki Bhagavatam to Brahma. Then Sukdev Goswami knows Bhagavatam. Vyasa Beti va Naveti, there is some doubt whether Vyasadeva perfectly knows Bhagavatam. Though he is compiler of Bhagavatam, he is compiled Bhaggavatam. But there is no doubt about Sridhara Swami. He knows Bhagavatam because he got special mercy from Nrsimhadev. So anyhow, Sukdev Goswami, Prabhupada telling here that he is also Kripa Siddha. Srila Prabhupada himself is also Kripa Siddha. He got special mercy from whom? Prabhupada got special mercy from his spiritual master, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Goswami. Because when Prabhupada was there, he has a graced life, even in Gaudiya Math, his disciples of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, they are asking, this Abhay Babu is very nice, he is giving great donation, big donations to temple, and he is always helpful. We must give him some managerial responsibility and give some. But Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur used to laugh. He told, time will come, he alone will do everything. No need to speak about him. He knows everything. He was a great astrologer, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. So in this way, Kripa Siddha. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami is telling that we should do our sadhana, and same time we will also ask for the mercy of Kripa of a great personality, great devotee or Krishna. Same. Okay, only sadhana is also not everything, and if you will not do any sadhana just with folded just to wait for Kripa, it will not come to you. So we have to act in a certain way following the orders of spiritual master, same times we also beg for their mercy. That Yogyata Vichare Kichu Nahi Pai Tomar Karuna Sara Karuna Nahaile Kandiya Kandiya Pranana Rakhivar. We must also end that mentality. We think ourselves as most unqualified, and though we are performing our sadhana bhakti, following spiritual master and Shastra, same times we must also pray for their mercy of Guru and Krishna. In this way, we can achieve perfection. So Bali Maharaj is sadhu, Bali Maharaj is understood. So Bali Maharaj is a Mahajan, and because he got unalloyed love for God, because he got a special mercy from the Prahlad Maharaj, so ultimately he got mercy from Vamanadev. Because of unalloyed love for the Lord, he then immediately decided, I shall give this little dwarf Vamanadev whatever he asks from me. This is a sign of love. And then Bali Maharaj is understood to be one who received the highest perfection of devotional service by special mercy of Prahlad Maharaj. So that is Prabhupada's concluding word in this purport. Hare Krishna. So it is time. Any question or comment? Yes. How Bali Maharaj got the causeless mercy of Prahlad Maharaj, his grandfather? Of course, this is Guru Kripate Krishna Mile, Krishna Kripate Guru Mile. So there is alternative. But so because his grandfather, he is already Bali Maharaj, he is small children, so many times he sit on the lap of Prahlad Maharaj. So the generally the grandfather blessed the grandson. Yes, this is Janma obijati janma obijati ichha achitoro bhakta grihe jani janma ho moro. Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling somehow other, if you want me to take another birth, please give me a chance to born in a family of a devotee. So there is great advantage to be born in family of a devotee. Yes.
As you were giving example of Prabhupada got mercy also. Similarly, the Prabhupada's disciples and his grand-disciples, they are getting mercy also.
Yes. Yes, we are also, but we are also doing sadhana and same times also aspiring for the mercy of Prabhupada and our spiritual master. Okay. Any question? So, okay. ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. हरे कृष्ण.